Assalamu alaikum, my dear pious and virtuous learners, honorable guardians and viewers. All are welcome to our Bagherhat Sodor online school and welcome to my online class. At first, I would like to introduce myself. This is Shilpi Firdausi Fatima, lecturer in English, K. Hidayatpur Alim Madrasa, Bagherhat Sodor, Bagherhat. Good morning, my dear learners. What's going on? Hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Dear students of classes 11 and 12, I have come back to you with your English syllabus, distribution of marks and question types. Okay, dear students, we see English first paper for marks 100 and English second paper 100 marks. English first paper full marks 100. Approved book English for today for classes 11 and 12, published by NCTB. Selected units for first year: Unit 1, Lesson 1 to 3. Unit 3, Lesson 1, 2. Unit 4, Lesson 1 to 3. Unit 5, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unit 6, Lesson 1, 2, 3. Unit 7, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for second year, Unit 8, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unit 9, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit 12, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unit 13, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit 14, Lesson 1, 2, 3. Unit 15, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. Question type and marks distribution for English first paper. Total marks. Here we find reading 60 and for writing 40. Test items for text materials. MCQ gauging meaning from context. Here marks 5. Comprehension questions 10. Open-ended questions relating to analysis, synthesis and evaluation. Information transfer for or flowchart. Marks here 10. Summarizing 10 marks. Notes. Text materials to be selected from the English for today. Textbook. Clues test with clues. Here marks 5. Text to be notes here text to be developed by question setters on their own. Then clues test without clues. Text to be developed by question setters on their own. Rearranging. Clues test with clues for 5 marks. Clues test with without clues for 10 marks. Rearranging here 10 marks. Text to be developed by question setters on their own. Then writing paragraph answering questions. Here marks 10. Completing a story marks 7. Writing informal letters or emails marks 5. Analyzing maps, graphs, charts. Here marks 10. Appreciating short stories or poems marks 8. Identifying themes themes, subject matter and interpretation. Then we see the questions type and distribution of marks of English second paper, grammar 60 and for composition 40. Grammar test items. Here number 1, gap filling activities without clues for articles. Here number 5. In the passage of articles, here the blank will be 10 blanks. In a passage for articles, every blank contains 0.5 marks. Every blank contains 0.5 marks. And number 2, gap filling activities without clues for preposition. Here also you find a passage for preposition and fill in the blanks. Every blanks contains 0.5 marks and total marks 5 for preposition. Number 3, gap filling with clues. Special uses was born, have to, has to, would rather, had better, let alone, what if, as if, as soon as, horse like, horse ... like. What does ... look like? Introductory there or it, etc. These contain total 5 marks and every blank contains for 0.5 marks. Completing sentences, use of conditionals, phrase and clause. Here for 5 marks. Here also you see a passage with 10 blanks and every blank contains for 0.5 marks. Number 5, use of verbs. Right form of verbs and subject verb agreement as per context. Here 5 marks. Number 6, changing sentence. Change of voice, sentence types, degree. Changing sentence here, change of voice, sentence type and degree. It contains 5 marks. 5 marks and here you find 5 sentence, only 5 sentence and 5 blanks in your question. Then we see here the number 7. The number 7, narrative style, direct to indirect and vice versa. Here marks 5. Number 8, pronoun reference, pronoun agreement. Number 5. And number 9, use of modifiers. Here marks 5. Use of modifiers marks 5 and use of pronoun reference marks 5. Modifiers mark 5. Number 10, use of sentence connectors. Here number 5 marks 5. Use of synonym and antonyms. Here also marks 5. Punctuation. Punctuation here contains marks 5. Here we see a note. Question setters will use all items from the above list and make questions of 5 marks for each questions item. Test items must have context. Sentences which are isolated and out of context cannot be given as questions. Question setters will prepare the test items. No questions will be set from the textbook or any help book. Composition test items. Composition test items here begin from 13 serial number that you will see in your question. Serial number 13, formal letter or email. Here marks, it contains marks 8. Then the serial number 14, report writing for newspaper. Here marks 8. Number 15, paragraph based on one of the paragraph types, listing narration, comparison and contrast, cause and effects. Here marks contains 10 marks. Then the question serial number 16, free writing, descriptive, narrative, persuasive, argumentative, imaginative and creative writing. Creative writing of and experience, everyday problems, familiar to etc, familiar topics etc. Here marks, it contains marks 14 that we can say essay, short essay or composition. Number 16 here for marks 14 and total marks 100. Okay, dear students, we saw the English first paper and second paper syllabus and also marks distribution. Okay, dear students, I hope you will attentively follow the syllabus for English first paper and second paper and will study attentively. Thank you, everybody.